2 says, calculate the volume of the following prisms. So volume uses the formula base area times height. For the base area, we are going to multiply the dimensions of the rectangle on the bottom. All right, the base area is 24 times this one written as an improper fraction. 2 times 3 is 6, plus 2 more is 8, so this is 8/3. How many times does 3 go into 24? 3 can fit into 24 8 times. Ooh, that's a funky 8. And then 8 times 8 is 64, so the base area is 64. And the height is 4.5, but we need to change that to an improper fraction as well. 4 times 2 is 8, plus 1 more is 9, so this is 9/2. Replace that h with a 9/2. How many times does 2 fit into 64? And that happens 32 times. So we need 32 times 9. 9 times 2 is 18. 3 times 9 is 27, plus 1 more makes 28. So the volume of this rectangular prism is 288 centimeters cubed. Centimeters cubed, not squared, because it's 3D.